Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to effectively schedule emails in Constant Contact to save time and boost your engagement. Let's get started. First, log into your Constant Contact account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up easily on their website. Once you're in, click on the Create Email to start designing your campaigns. You can choose a template or build one from scratch. Make sure it's eye-catching and match your brand. After crafting your subject, lines, and content, look for the schedule button near at the top of the screen. Click this will open a new window where you can pick the exact date and time you want your email to send. Constant Contact also lets you set your time zones to ensure your emails reach subscription at the perfect moment, no matter where they are. You can even schedule emails in bulky by building a CSV file or using their automation tools for recurring campaigns. Before finalizing, use the preview features to check how your email looks on different devices. Once everything looks perfect, confirm your schedule and you're done. Your email will now go automatically at the chosen time, freeing you up to focus on other tasks. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments how you use scheduled emails in your strategy. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.